I'm going to walk you through step by step how to transform the energy of your home for a full year with nothing more than pennies, water, and salt. And a glass or a jar or a bowl. So let's get started. If you're new here, I'm Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master. And 20 years ago, I founded a method and school of Feng Shui unlike anything else in the world. Everything we do here is super positive, wildly creative, easy to do, and most importantly, it works. By the end of this video, you're going to be ready to make your very own Feng Shui saltwater cure and install it in your home to activate the energy. So let's start with the very basic why and when would you do this. You want to make this when you are initiating a whole new cycle. You want to make this before the Lunar New Year, before your birthday, maybe before you start a great big new chapter. And once it's done, it's going to sit in its place and the water, salt, and pennies are going to turn into a great big crystal bowl. So I am going to show you this up close and you're going to make your own. But over time, this is about 4 or 5 weeks old. Over time, this entire bowl and even the plate is going to be covered in crystals. It is a sign of the transformation of energy in action. And that's so exciting. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is going to be active like an energy generator for a full year. So you don't have to keep making these. This is one and done, and it's going to really elevate your space wherever you put it and intend for it to elevate your whole space. That's what we're going to talk about as we make this. Let's dive into how exactly you're going to do this. The one that I just showed you, I made in a glass bowl. This one I am making in a regular glass, a regular drinking glass. You can make it in a mug. You can make it in a ceramic bowl. Do not make it in a metal or a plastic bowl because it will not conduct the energy properly. It's not really good vibes. What we're doing here is creating the highest vibrational energy. We're taking your home to a higher level, and when you raise the energy of your home, you raise the energy of you, and you become a super attractive, ultra magnetic person who can create more and do more and think more clearly and feel more free, and that's going to help you make every day of your life so much better. So you've got your glass, then you're going to get salt. Just regular sea salt. You don't have to get fancy Himalayan salt or some sort of special salt. And the next thing you need are 6 pennies. Actual pennies. I know pennies are becoming rare these days, and for those of you who don't live in the USA, instead you can get I Ching coins. They are made for Feng Shui purposes, and you can find them even on Amazon, and I will link some below so you'll know what it is exactly that I'm talking about. If you're making this really big, you can get bigger coins. If you're making this in a smaller thing like a glass or a mug, you can use the smaller I Ching coins. And the only other thing you need is water. Plain water, nothing fancy, nothing special. If you want to use fancy special water, be my guest, but this is going to be the activator of your saltwater cure. The first thing we're going to do is energetically cleanse your vessel. So once you've cleaned it, hold it in your hands and imagine that the energy of your hands is going right into the glass. And imagine all of the negative energy that you want to leave your house, all of the things that are blocking you, the things that are stuck, the things that are in your way, the procrastination, the cycles that you've outgrown. You're going to intend that it is all being transformed when this saltwater cure is activated, okay? And feel positive energy fill this glass. Like you can even see it light up with positive energy in your hands. Imagine it. And when you're ready, we're going to put this together, and it's so simple. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill the entire thing 3/4 of the way up with salt. So the bigger the bowl, the bigger the glass, the more salt you're going to need. And this can come to be a lot of salt. Now that you have the salt in your glass, you're going to add the pennies or the I Ching coins, whichever you are using. Now, it's very important to use the coins on their active side. Every coin is considered to have an active and a passive side, a yin and a yang side. And we want the yang active side. In this case, the heads side of the penny is the yang side and the tail side of the penny is the yin side. So we're going to put it heads side up, and we're going to arrange these pennies in a circle in the salt, on top of the salt. The reason why we're creating a circle, first of all, circles in Feng Shui are metal energy, which is very cleansing and clarifying and purifying, but also the metal is very strong. It's creating an even stronger electric-like charge to this salt cure. So we're going to create this circle, really simple, and let's see. You can always rearrange them if need be. Just make sure they're head side up. If you're using the I Ching coins, the side of the coin with all the symbols written on it is the yang side. That's the side that you will put facing up. Now we're ready to activate the saltwater cure with your water. And you're going to slowly pour this water in. And as you do, imagine that this whole thing is coming to life. So we're going to slowly pour it and let it seep down into the salt, and try to not disrupt the pennies or the coins as much as possible. It's not going to be perfect. Sometimes your pennies sink. Sometimes your pennies move a little bit. Just let it be. I always say the way that it falls is the way that it falls. It's supposed to be that way. But my intention is strong and clear. So have your strong, clear intention to transform the energy of your home as you start to slowly add water. And we're going to fill this up until it is just slightly, woo, the pennies just became invisible, above the pennies. They're going to settle. All of this salt and everything will settle. I'm pouring it a little quickly right now for you guys. I would do it much slower if I were doing this by myself, but the pennies are going to settle. They'll find their place. The water is about an inch or so over the salt. That's kind of ideal. Over time, the water will evaporate as it transforms all of the energy in your home and turns into this big crystal. And that's where you're going to add additional water to keep this battery going, to keep it fueled so that it keeps cleansing your home. So now what are we going to do with this? Where are we going to put this? The one thing you're not meant to do with it is walk around with it aimlessly. This needs to be put somewhere very deliberately. And technically, once it is placed in your home, you are not going to touch it or move it for the full year. Obviously, I'm going to break the rules to make this video, but for you, once you have this made, you are going to go and place it and not move it. So where are you going to place it? Traditionally, there are formulas and calculations that tell you exactly where to put it in your home, depending on the year, depending on your birthday, all of these different things. I don't believe in that. I believe that you know where the energy feels the most heavy, the most dense, the most stuck. And you want to place it in a room where it can be undisturbed and can sit wherever it is placed for a full year. So where is that for you? And you may need to get a little bit creative. If you want to brainstorm in the comments, you can leave me a comment. I can help you brainstorm where to put it. But I've put this before on my mantle. I have put this on side tables. I have put this in closets before. I put it away in a closet and it's worked brilliantly. The one thing you want to do and keep in mind is that as this starts blooming, it is going to start moving. It's going to start overflowing. And that's when you're going to want something beneath it. So I like to place it with a little tray, a little dish, something beneath it to catch the crystal as it starts to overflow, because you don't want to ruin your furniture. You don't want this getting all over the place. You want this to be really self-contained. This isn't an instant project, but you can see how over time this has, over the last 6 weeks, this has really started to grow. It's really accelerated into a crystal. It's really burning out a lot of unwanted energy in my space. People make these to increase their fortune. People make these to change their lives, to create more luck, to do all sorts of things that are uplifting, traditionally speaking. Make this for yourself because you are ready to activate. You're ready to go to the next level. You're ready to be undeterred. You're going to become more and more unstoppable. And this is going to be an energetic reminder for you that this is the path that you are on, that this is what you're embodying now, that this is the life that you have now. And that's so exciting. And after an amazing year goes by, when this has been working in your home to keep it high and light and full of great vibes, you can just take the pennies or the coins out take the entire bowl, dump it in the trash, and kiss it goodbye. Take it out far away from your home, send it out into the universe where it will continue to transform things. You're not giving away bad vibes. You're saying goodbye to an old cycle. So I never want you to think that when you're dumping something like this, you're like, oh, okay, now I'm going to send bad vibes out into the universe. That's not what you're doing. This is already transforming the energy. That's the whole point. It is transforming the energy. And so when you get rid of this, it's like saying that cycle is done. I'm ready for the next level. I'm ready for the next cycle. So if you're ready for the next level and ready for the next cycle, make yours now. And if you want to send me pictures of it, please reach out to me and send them. I would love to hear from you. If you have questions, comments, anything you need, I'm here as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for doing all of the above. I so appreciate you. And if you want to deeply transform your home this year and transform your life like never before in the process, the Feng Shui Decluttering Certification Beyond Decluttering is now open. And Feng Shui School, the School of Intention, is also open for registration. And all of the details are pinned below in the comment section. I cannot wait to see what you make and hear what happens when you do this. And this whole channel's full of videos for you to explore before I upload again very soon. And I'll be back soon with more. Bye.